this will get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
What's up, my good cousin? I am Jess, here on Jess for TV, where we are all about providing you with an assortment of high quality content for your entertainment pleasures, as well as piquing your interests and curiosities while still satisfying your needs and wants about everything that is lifestyle. So today, guys, I am back on your screen, and as you can tell from the title, the thumbnail, what's in front of me right now, I have become extremely intrigued and very, very interested in the art of juicing. I've been doing my research and just figuring out some of the benefits of it, and just looking into it, I was like, you know what? Maybe I should give this a try. Like, let me try this out. Let me get started just to see how it goes for me. All right, so without further ado, if you wanna see a Juicing with Jess, if you wanna see any of the recipes or juices that I will be trying out, and also possibly following me on a juice diet journey just to see the benefits of it, if it works out for me, then you should definitely keep on watching. So jumping right into this video, you guys, this is my first time ever juicing. This is my first juicer that I've ever owned. This is my first time that I will actually be using a juicer, for that matter. I did read the directions. I read them thoroughly. I read them 3 times. So hopefully I can get this thing right and not juice my hand in the process. So a little bit of background and my reasoning behind wanting to juice is that I actually read that juicing is extremely effective for weight loss, simply because it just promotes healthier eating habits, and also it's good for gut health. It boosts your immune system. It's good for your digestive system, as it gives it a break from the fibers that it normally has to break down. It's a great second form of hydration as opposed to water. It has a lot of preventative measures. It increases your energy, and lastly, with the right concoction and combination of ingredients, it can actually clear up acne and dry skin. So with all that being said, from my extensive research that I have done, I really just wanted to detox. I wanted to find a new way or form, so to say, of eating. I've done smoothies, I've done shakes, I've done the Herbalife, I've done all of that. And while a lot of it worked, like I had great results each go around with my smoothies and my shakes. However, I just really want something that I can incorporate into my lifestyle and kind of slowly just ease my way into it, so that I can really get on a lifestyle change and really focus on my weight loss journey. And even so, beyond that, I wanted to see if the nutrients from juicing and its cleansing abilities would aid me in my skincare journey. You guys know that I'm currently still dealing with eczema, aka atopic dermatitis, and I'm also dealing with acne and the blemishes that it has left behind from wearing a face mask on a daily basis. So I just want to see if doing all of this will help me in my skincare journey. I'm ready to maintain a healthier lifestyle and also just clear up my outer appearance. I'm ready to get my natural, healthy glow back. And here I am with juicing. So I purchased a bunch of different fruits and vegetables just to experiment with, just to try, just to come up with some good combinations that I could make some juices with to last me throughout the week, and just to keep in my rotation, because again, I do want to make juicing a part of my lifestyle. I'm actually going to be making 2 juices today just to try out, try out some different combinations, see what I need to add, see what I need to take away, just so that I can come up with a bunch of different recipes so that I can keep up with this in the long run. So make sure you guys stay tuned till the end of this video so that you can see all the recipes and juices that I will be trying over the course of the next couple of days. So my first drink that I'm going to be making, the ingredients that I'm specifically going to be using for that drink are my clementines, my pineapples, my carrots, my grapes, and a lemon. So I'm going to wash this stuff up, get it cut up, turn on this baby, and we about to make some juice. Juicing with Jess. This is currently what I'm working with as far as for my first juice. I feel like I'm probably gonna need more, but this is what I'm gonna start with. So, all right, here we go. right, so guys, that is it for my first juice. That is all the fruit and vegetables that I had, and it's actually filled past the max line of the juicing cup. So I guess I did use just the right amount for what could fit in here. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my little cute cup, because I like to have something cute to drink out of. Like, I have 1,000,001 water cups just because it motivates me to want to drink water, because I see it in the cute cups. I'm like, oh, sip, sip. So comment down below if you guys feel the same way. Like, do you need motivation to drink water, and is your motivation just drinking it out of a cute cup, a cute tumbler? Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about that. Oh, and that's literally perfect. So yeah, I'm just going to close this up. I'm gonna get me a straw, take my cap off. All right, you guys, this is the true testament, and we're gonna see if juicing is for me or not, or if this is the right combination. Hopefully it's the right combination. Hopefully it's good. I mean, it's good. It's not bad. I'm with it. Juicing with Jess, come through. Jess the Juicer, this is what we're doing now. To kind of experiment just to see if the benefits are going to actually be beneficial for me. I definitely did take some before and after pictures, specifically of my hands, my wrists, my forearms, also my face, just with the blemishes and whatnot, just to see if juicing for 2 to 3 weeks, for a whole month, actually clears up anything. Because I really want to, again, make this a lifestyle change, make this a lifestyle journey. I really want to see if it's gonna work. Like I told you, I'm trying to get that natural glow. So also, that's why I said I wanted to take you guys on this juice diet journey with me, so you can see if it's something that you may want to incorporate in your life. So I'm going to drink this, I'm going to go do some work, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to make my second one. So I will see you guys in a short. Okay guys, so I am back. That first one was fire. I tore it up, Gia tore it up. So I am ready to make my second one now. And the things that I'm going to be using to make my second juice are a cucumber, an apple, some strawberries, the other half of the lemon, and some baby spinach and kale mix. Let's get it popping. Okay, and this is our green juice. So let's try this one to see if it hit like the one earlier. Got me a little straw. This one isn't bad. It's a little bit more earthy, I'm guessing because of the greens that I put in it. It's not bad. I feel like I would need to put something else in it just to give it a little bit more pop. It's kind of bitter. It's definitely not as good as the first one, but I could definitely live with it. Make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. I'm going to be showing you guys a few more recipes that I've made throughout the week over these next couple of days that I can just add to my rotation and keep this juicing thing going. Okay guys, so all of these drinks were really good. I definitely plan to be incorporating all of them into my daily rotation throughout the week. So with all that being said, I really do hope that I can really come to love juicing and really just stick with it, keep up with it. And I'm hoping that all of the nutrients that comes from juicing just really benefits me, my mind, my body, my spirit, my soul. I do have high expectations and high hopes that incorporating this juice diet or just this juice routine into my daily lifestyle will just ultimately help me be healthier, to detox more, and to clear my skin. So if you found this video and the information provided there invaluable, and if the information piqued your interest and curiosities in the art of juicing, please do me a quick favor and give this video a thumbs up. Also, please do me a favor and comment down below any suggestions that you guys may have for me as far as recipes. Please give me some tips. Let me know if I did this thing right. Let me know any type of juice combos that you guys use on a daily basis so that I may incorporate it into my daily juicing routine. By the way, if you haven't done so, do me a quick favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This will count as your good deed for the day. If you've been here, done that, thank you so much, cousin. I greatly appreciate your continued support. Your good deed is done and has not gone unnoticed. One last thing before you go, be sure to hit that post notification bell so that you don't miss out on any entertainment or lifestyle content from me. Thank you guys so much for clicking to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.